In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome search engine. If you'd like your address bar, also called the Omnibox, to search with Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or another provider, Chrome lets you switch this in just a few clicks on any Windows or Mac computer. This change only affects what happens when you type a query in the address bar. Everything else in Chrome stays the same. It won't alter your home page, your startup page, bookmarks, or browsing history. You might switch for privacy preferences, different results, or simply personal comfort. Whatever your reason, the process is identical on Windows and Mac. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots, the menu icon. Click it to open the menu, then choose Settings. The Settings tab will open in a new page. On the left side, you'll see a list of sections. Click Search Engine. On the right, find the option labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. Click the drop-down next to it and select the provider you prefer, Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and any other options that appear for you. The moment you make a selection, Chrome updates your default. There's nothing else to save, and you don't need to restart the browser. To see it in action, simply use the address bar like you normally do, and your results will come from the search engine you just chose. You can change this setting as often as you like, and you can always switch back later. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, remember each profile keeps its own default, so adjust it wherever you need. If you want to get there even faster, there's a quick method. In the Chrome address bar, type or paste Chrome/settings/search. This shortcut jumps you straight to the same search engine settings page. Once it opens, use the same drop-down to pick your preferred default search engine, and you're done. If the page doesn't appear, double-check that the text is typed exactly as shown, including every slash. A few quick notes to keep things clear. The options you see in the drop-down may vary based on your region or what's installed, but the process is the same. If your browser is managed by an organization, some choices might be locked by an administrator. And if you try this on a different device, you'll need to change the setting there as well, since defaults are set per browser installation. That's all it takes to change the search engine in Google Chrome. Open Chrome, go to Settings, choose Search Engine, pick your favorite from the search engine used in the address bar drop-down, or jump straight there with Chrome/settings/search. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing with the search provider that works best for you.